So, tonight is Monday, and I'm going to be taking this chicken and this green chili enchilada sauce with some onions and some different seasonings. I'm going to cook it in the Instapot, and we're going to have shredded chicken tacos and some probably refried beans on the side. Just kind of a simple dinner. I also purchased these white corn tortillas so we can have soft tacos. So let's get that started. Okay, I just wanted to move you a little bit closer so you could see. I've talked about this so many times. I have pre-diced onions. I'm just going to put those on the bottom. Add some flavor. And will help the chicken not stick. Just going to put a little bit down at the bottom. Spread it around a little bit. So I'm just going to place it all down. Put some more seasoning on top and cover the rest with the enchilada sauce. Probably a little bit of water just so that it doesn't get too dry. Cover the top. Add some water. And then that's it. That's what it looks like a green mess. We'll do 7 minutes. So I'm just gonna shred this up. I thought these big ones would be great going in there, but they're too thick. The tongs are too thick and it won't shred very well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shred it in this little bowl and then put it back in there to keep the seasoning until we are ready. Keeps it moist and the flavor will get in there really nicely. Back. Wow, this chicken looks really good. Shredding nicely. Looks delicious. Okay, so just for fun tonight, I'm going to be making a cake. I'm just going to make a simple cake in a pan and put frosting over it. I'm going to use this frosting. It's gluten-free. It's just vanilla, real simple. So let's go ahead and put that together. I've already sprayed the bottom of my pan with this avocado oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything up. Calls for 3 eggs, a cup of water, and a 1/3 cup of oil. Scissors to open this package up. Dump that in. Okay, lock that into place in low speed for 1 minute, and then medium for 2. off the sides and the bottom, make sure it's all incorporating in there. Okay, back in. I think my pan's going to be too big. It's going to be a super thin cake. Okay, spread that out. Definitely going to be a thin cake. That's okay. It's just Monday night cake is nothing special, right? Try to even it out. Okay, now let's take this over to the oven. Lettuce, tomatoes, a red onion, I do like to, salad spinner, way down here. I do like to, sometimes when I cut up onions and things, I go ahead and I put them in a container that has a lid so that we use what we want, and then we can just put the rest in the refrigerator for later. So, little tip. I'm just going to start with one for dinner for tonight. I'm going to chop it now. Make it a little bit smaller and hopefully easier to wash and get all the yucky stuff out. Alright, throw that in. Get some, what is this called? Vinegar. White vinegar. Just regular white vinegar. And some, oops, a little butter. Get that soaking. Okay, this is just straight vinegar. Put it in a spray bottle. Makes it easy to clean this kind of stuff. Cleaned, rinsed off. Okay, those are ready to go. Cow down. And that's just rough cut. We're all hungry for dinner. Okay, now I'm gonna put some beans in. We get the vegetarian Rosarita refried beans, and I put the expiration date out on the front so we know which ones to eat first. Just to make it a little creamy, I usually add in a little bit of milk. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder just to kind of flavor it up a bit. Oh, shoot, too much. Might need to do a second can. Okay, get that going. Mix it in. You know, there's 4 of us. I think I'm gonna do 2 cans. I could definitely put in enough onion powder. Add some garlic. Let's just let that warm up. I'll keep mixing that. We'll come back to that. I gotta check the cake. I think it might be. Yes, done. Nice. Get this set aside to cool. So I did make sure that I put in just plain oat milk, not vanilla flavored. I've done that before and it tastes real funky. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything else out and get it all set up. Like a little assembly line here, and then everybody can come in and make their own. So these tacos did turn out delicious and everyone really enjoyed them. Okay guys, we're going to finish off this day with this fun vanilla cake. Actually a funfetti, yeah, it's a vanilla flavored cake. Anyways, we're going to use 1.5 tubs of this vanilla frosting and we're going to have some cake, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night. I hope you come back tomorrow for day 2. I'm doing 5 days in a row of cooking dinners just to try to give you guys a little bit of dinner inspiration and just to get everybody to cooking from home. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be what you like and make it simple, make it delicious, and let's do it together. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Leave a comment below and tell me, what did you have for dinner tonight? Or maybe what are your go-tos? Like, what does your family love? What do you make a lot of? Let's help each other get some cooking inspiration. I'll see you guys tomorrow and have a great day. Bye.